In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can invite other people to join you in your Weavely team so that you can collaborate on looking at the data or building out your form. So first things first, where do you situate the team member settings? So of course it's in the settings pane on the left under team settings. If you are not in the dashboard and you're lost on how to get there, so let's say that you have a form open, for example, at the top left here on the house icon, you can get back to the dashboard. So settings, team settings, and then you'll be able to add new members. So I'm going to add myself so that you get an idea of the entire flow on the other side as well. So somebody being invited. Invitation is being sent and they will receive an email. Okay, so this is essentially the email that they'll get. It's very basic. It just has one link. So it says like you've been invited to and then the name of your team. You can accept the invite by clicking that link. And when they do so, they'll be prompted to either sign in or sign up. So let's say that I'll create a new account with the email address, of course, that received the invitation. So that's the important part. It needs to be the same email, part of the team. Let's press continue. And then the person will see an empty dashboard because they'll be in their own team. So in the case that you invite somebody and they say you're like, I'm still not in your team, at the top left here, you can choose the team that you want to see. So this is the new account I just created. It's empty, but when I switch over to the other account, I can see the same forms that I saw using the account that sent out the invitation. Now, the important part here is that you have access to everything that other person has. So you can sort of look at the data, look at the results. You can edit the form, but you can't edit the form at the same time. So if you do edits at the same point of time as the other person, it's just the last person to do the edit that will win the edit. So there's currently no multiplayer functionality. So that's something to take into account when you invite people into your space, that you can collaborate in real time on a form. Last thing, of course, is actually removing somebody from your team. So if I look at my team here, you can see all of the people, and then on the right, you'll be able to kick them out. So let me just quickly reload my initial account to invite people in. There we go. So this is the person that I just invited, and then here I can either make them an owner, so I can make them an owner of the account and then remove myself, for example, or I can just remove their access from my team. So this is how you add somebody to your team, have them do something with your forms or look at the results, and then when it's over, you can remove them if you need to.